Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Granny 3 Enhanced on PC. To begin, you will need an Android emulator, which allows your computer to run mobile applications. BlueStacks is a highly recommended option, known for its stability and performance. Visit the official BlueStacks website to download the installer. Make sure your computer has at least 4 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor for the best experience. Once BlueStacks is installed, open the application. You will find a familiar interface, including access to the Google Play Store. Navigate to the Play Store and use the search bar to find Granny 3 Enhanced. Click on the game and proceed with the installation. This process is identical to installing any app on your Android phone, making it straightforward and quick. After installing the game, take some time to optimize your controls and settings. BlueStacks offers robust key mapping features, allowing you to assign keyboard keys and mouse actions to in-game commands. Adjust the graphics settings within Granny 3 Enhanced to balance visual quality and performance. Aim for 60 frames per second for the smoothest gameplay. Saving these settings ensures a consistent experience. Now you are ready to dive into the enhanced horror of Granny 3 on your PC. Take advantage of the larger screen to spot details and navigate the environment more easily. Remember to practice stealth and solve puzzles to outsmart Granny and her family. With optimized controls and settings, you will have a truly immersive and terrifying experience. Have fun and try not to get caught.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.